Coronary arteries. Previous video we saw circulation of blood to the heart. This video we see about coronary arteries. What is the function of coronary arteries? It provided oxygenated blood to the heart muscle for their continuous functioning. Heart provided oxygenated blood to whole body, but heart also organ, it also need oxygen. So coronary arteries provided continuous oxygen to the heart muscles. Second, we see about heart disease. Various categories responsible for heart disease. First one is blockage of coronary arteries. Here formation of blood clot inside the blood vessel. So unable to go to the oxygenated blood in heart. So heart stop pumping. This condition name is called as ischemic heart disease or myocardial infarction. One more disease, angina pectoris. It is a type of chest pain caused by reduced flow of heart. That means insufficient supply of oxygen in heart. Then next function, contraction and relaxation. Venous per minute 72 times heart beating. Articular contraction is called as articular systole. Ventricular contraction is called as ventricular systole. Here blood come from the right auricle part, then same time blood come from the left auricle part. Now both these organ filled up. Now they are relaxing. This condition is called as articular diastole. Second one is left ventricle send blood to the lungs. Same times left ventricle send blood to the aorta. Then it will send all over the body. This condition name is called as ventricular diastole. With the diagram I will explain. This both part, auricular part was contract. That term is called as auricular systole. Now ventricular, both part ventricular was contract. That term is called as ventricular systole. Now blood comes from the right auricle, then blood comes from the left ventricle. Now both organ filled up blood. This condition name is called as articular diastole. Then blood sent to the lungs. At the same time this left ventricle sent to the blood to the aorta. This term name is called as ventricular diastole. Then sounding of heart, we know our heart sound lup and tup. Lup, when it will produce the auricular or ventricular valves are contract or close. That time it will produce the lup sound. I will explain. Here this tricuspid valve, at the same time the mitral valve or bicuspid valve, at the same time there are close or contract. That time it will produce a lup sound, then tup sound. Well, when pulmonary semilunar valve or aorta close and or contract, that time it will produce a tup sound. This pulmonary semilunar valve or this aorta, it will close or contract. That time it will produce a tup sound.